we're back. All right, so, oh goodness. So the maximum area, as we discussed while the video was rendering, would just be the length times the width. So 25 times 50 over 3 is 1250 over 3. What would that be measured in? No. It's an area, right? Yeah, it'd be in square yards. But it's not yards, it's square yards. Dude, a yard is this. This is a yard, okay? This isn't an area, this is a linear measure. So a square yard would be if I made a square of these and the area that's inside of it. There's a big difference between just this straight piece of wood and a square of this. All right. Now, we only have a couple minutes left, so here's what we're going to do. All right? Since this is an important problem, because there isn't homework over it, but you're going to need to know it for the Chapter 3 test. What we're going to do is we're going to set up another one and solve it. So, here we go. Let's say we have 250 meters of fence. So we're moving up in the world. We did such a great job with 100 yards of fence, we're going to use 250 meters. And this time we're going to make this. I don't know. Rabbits? Herbs, yes. Hay. Goat. Yeah, just one. All right, so all right, so let's label this just like we did before. That can be length, that can be width. Quit fooling around. Let's start off with that. I mean, we know that. Now, how would I set up the other part? All right. Then what did we need to do? All right, so solve for one of the variables. Which variable do you want to solve for? L. Since we're almost out of time, I'm going to speed this process up a little bit. So L is going to be equal to negative 4/3 W plus 250 over 3. All I did was move the W and divide by 3. Would everybody be okay if I just go ahead and distribute the W when I substitute here? All right, so this would be negative 4/3 W squared plus 250 over 3W. Negative B over 2A. So this would be negative 250 over 3 over 2 times negative 4 over 3. Now, do you notice how both of those fractions are over 3? 3's cancel. And the negatives will cancel. So basically we take 250 and divide it by 8. So that would be what? 125 over 4? You reduce it? And that would be in meters. At that point, what would I need to find? Length. So negative 4 over 3 times 125 over 4 plus 250 over 3. The 4's cancel. And if I have negative 125 over 3 plus 250 over 3, that's 125 over 3. And then all I would have to do to get the maximum area is multiply that out. So it'd be something over 12. Let's see, 125 squared would be into 25. Let's see. Yes, I totally did that in my head. If you don't believe me, check this out. What would this guy be measured in? Yeah, square meters. And that's how it's done.